Have you ever imagined that one of the world's most luxurious natural textiles begins on the back of a camel crossing vast desert landscapes? While most people admire camels for their strength and endurance, few realize that hidden beneath their thick coats is one of nature's finest insulating fibers. Every year, this rare white camel wool is carefully collected and transformed into premium felt products valued by luxury manufacturers and industrial companies around the world. But this transformation doesn't happen by chance. It requires advanced machinery, skilled craftsmanship, and one of the most fascinating factory processes you'll ever see. Today, we're taking you inside a modern white camel wool felt factory to uncover every incredible step of this remarkable journey, from raw wool to premium felt products. The journey begins long before the wool reaches the factory. During the natural seasonal shedding period, healthy white camels gradually lose their soft undercoat as temperatures begin to rise. Rather than harming the animals, experienced handlers carefully collect this valuable fiber by gently combing or brushing the camels. This method preserves the exceptional quality of the wool while ensuring the animals remain comfortable and stress-free. Because naturally white camel wool is much rarer than darker varieties, every kilogram is considered extremely valuable. After collection, the wool is packed into large breathable sacks to prevent moisture buildup during transportation. Each batch is carefully labeled according to its source, collection date, and fiber grade before being shipped to the processing facility. Maintaining traceability from the very beginning helps manufacturers guarantee consistent quality throughout the entire production process. Experienced quality control specialists carefully examine each bundle under bright industrial lighting. They evaluate fiber length, color consistency, cleanliness, softness, and overall condition. Any wool contaminated with excessive debris or showing signs of damage is separated immediately. Only the highest grade white camel wool is approved to continue into production, ensuring the finished felt meets the factory's demanding standards. The approved wool then enters one of the most important stages of the entire process, industrial cleaning. Large automated opening machines gently loosen the tightly compressed fibers, allowing the wool to spread evenly before washing. Powerful air systems remove loose dust and lightweight impurities while vibrating screens separate larger pieces of straw, leaves, and other unwanted materials. Even before washing begins, a surprising amount of contamination has already been eliminated. Next, the wool moves into enormous stainless steel washing tanks filled with carefully temperature-controlled water and specially formulated biodegradable cleaning solutions. Unlike ordinary washing machines, these industrial systems are designed to clean delicate natural fibers without damaging their microscopic structure. As rotating paddles slowly move the wool through the tanks, natural oils, dust, dirt, and remaining impurities are gradually released from the fibers. Multiple washing cycles ensure every strand is thoroughly cleaned while preserving the fiber's exceptional softness and insulating properties. Fresh water continuously circulates through advanced filtration systems, reducing waste while maintaining environmentally responsible production practices. After washing, the clean wool enters automated dewatering machines. High-speed centrifugal extractors spin the fibers rapidly, removing excess water without compressing or damaging them. What emerges is noticeably lighter, cleaner, and far softer than the raw material that first entered. By the time the fibers leave the carding machines, they resemble soft floating clouds rather than raw animal wool. Every strand is now prepared for the most fascinating part of the entire manufacturing process, the ancient yet highly advanced science of transforming loose fibers into premium felt without weaving or knitting a single thread. Now comes the stage that gives felt its remarkable identity. Unlike ordinary fabrics, felt is not woven or knitted. Instead, millions of individual wool fibers are permanently locked together using moisture, heat, pressure, and controlled movement. This natural process takes advantage of one of wool's most fascinating microscopic characteristics. Each white camel wool fiber is covered with tiny overlapping scales that are invisible to the human eye. Under carefully controlled conditions, these scales begin to open slightly. When the fibers are repeatedly compressed and agitated, they grip onto one another more tightly with every movement. Gradually, thousands of loose fibers become a single dense sheet of incredibly strong felt. Inside the factory, automated layering machines first spread the carded wool into multiple perfectly even layers. Computer-controlled conveyors continuously measure thickness to ensure every section receives exactly the right amount of fiber. Laser sensors monitor the distribution in real time, automatically correcting even the smallest variation before the material moves forward. The layered wool then enters one of the largest machines in the factory. The industrial felting line. Warm moisture is evenly sprayed across the wool while enormous pressure rollers begin compressing the soft layers together. At the same time, the material experiences controlled vibration and gentle rolling motions that encourage the microscopic scales to interlock naturally. Unlike synthetic bonding methods, no woven threads are required. Nature itself performs the binding process. Throughout this process, high-resolution inspection cameras scan every square centimeter of material. Artificial intelligence continuously searches for variations in thickness, color consistency, density, or surface texture. Even the smallest imperfection is immediately detected. If a defect is found, the affected section is automatically separated while the rest of the production continues without interruption. This level of automation minimizes waste while maintaining exceptional quality standards. Only flawless felt continues into the cutting department. Here, enormous computer-controlled CNC cutting machines receive digital production files for hundreds of different products. Powerful vacuum tables hold the felt perfectly flat while laser-guided oscillating blades cut each component with incredible precision. Depending on customer requirements, the factory may produce industrial insulation panels, polishing wheels, acoustic soundproofing sheets, luxury hat components, premium footwear inserts, decorative home products, furniture padding, protective machine liners, fashion accessories, or high-end designer felt bags. The remarkable versatility of white camel wool allows manufacturers to serve industries ranging from fashion and interior design to engineering and aerospace. As the finished components move toward assembly, skilled technicians carefully inspect each piece by hand while automated vision systems perform a second independent inspection. Dimensions, thickness, flexibility, color uniformity, and edge quality are all verified before approval. Only products meeting the factory's strict standards continue to the packaging department. Finished felt products are carefully cleaned using compressed filtered air before being neatly stacked or individually wrapped, depending on customer specifications. Robotic packaging systems then seal each product inside protective moisture-resistant packaging designed to preserve quality during international shipping. Automated barcode scanners verify every package while robotic palletizing systems organize completed orders onto export pallets. Autonomous forklifts transport the finished products into a massive climate-controlled warehouse where they await shipment to customers around the world. Standing inside this factory, it's almost impossible to believe that only a short time ago these premium felt products existed as soft fibers growing naturally beneath the coat of a white camel crossing the desert. Through responsible animal care, sustainable fiber collection, advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, intelligent automation, and rigorous quality control, one of nature's most extraordinary renewable fibers has been transformed into luxurious products valued across the globe. The next time you see a premium felt hat, a luxury felt handbag, a beautifully crafted decorative product, or high-performance industrial felt, remember that its incredible journey began not inside a factory but on the back of a remarkable white camel. Thank you for joining us inside one of the world's most fascinating manufacturing facilities. If you enjoy discovering how extraordinary products are made, from rare natural materials to finished masterpieces, be sure to subscribe to Ultra Factory TV for more in-depth factory documentaries that take you behind the scenes of modern manufacturing. We'll see you in the next factory adventure.